At 61 years old, Lenny Kravitz doesn't just look good, he looks ageless. Every year, his photos showing off his toned, chiseled body go viral, leaving fans and followers in awe. With abs that are as sculpted as they were in his 30s and a physique that has barely changed, it's only natural that people want to know, how does he do it? The answer isn't about miracle genetics or some secret anti-aging treatment. It's much simpler than that. In fact, the secret to Lenny's ageless appearance lies in the foods he eats. And today, we're revealing the 5 foods that keep his body 20 years younger. These are not expensive, rare ingredients. These are whole foods that you can easily incorporate into your own life. So if you want to know the key to feeling and looking youthful, stick around. You'll be shocked when we tell you about the foods Lenny eats and why they're so important for his long-lasting vitality. Stay tuned, because this video could change the way you eat and live forever. When you look at Lenny Kravitz, it's hard to believe that he's in his 60s. His energy, skin, and body are proof that age doesn't have to be a factor when it comes to vitality. But Lenny doesn't believe in fad diets, quick fixes, or miracle cures. Instead, his philosophy is simple: eat to live well, not just to fill up. He credits much of his youthful appearance and energy to 5 key foods that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support longevity. What makes these foods so powerful? Well, each of them has specific health benefits that contribute to reducing the effects of aging. They're full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and promote muscle strength and skin elasticity. All things that help Lenny maintain his youthful look and feel great at the same time. Food 1. Jackfruit, the meat alternative for muscle and longevity. Let's start with jackfruit, a tropical fruit that Lenny often includes in his meals. What makes jackfruit stand out among the foods Lenny eats is its versatility and nutritional value. But beyond its unique texture, jackfruit can be shredded to mimic the look and texture of pulled pork. It's also packed with nutrients that help keep Lenny's body looking and feeling younger. Jackfruit is loaded with potassium, which helps keep blood pressure under control. It's also full of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen production and skin repair. The vitamin C in jackfruit helps maintain skin elasticity and prevents sagging, which is why Lenny's skin looks so vibrant and youthful. What makes jackfruit even more interesting is its antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, jackfruit helps reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is a leading cause of aging. By consuming jackfruit, Lenny is protecting his cells from the damaging effects of free radicals. Jackfruit also provides a solid dose of fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and keeps things running smoothly inside. Most importantly, jackfruit is cholesterol-free, making it an excellent choice for heart health. Lenny, like many people who want to age well, prioritizes heart health, and eating plant-based foods like jackfruit is an easy way to reduce your risk of cardiovascular issues. How to incorporate jackfruit into your diet? Try adding it to tacos, salads, or curries. You can even use it as a meat substitute in stir-fries or sandwiches. It's not just tasty, it's a powerhouse food that supports muscle health and youthful skin. Food 2. Beets, the ultimate detoxifier. Next up is beets, one of Lenny's favorite foods for detoxification and stamina. If you've ever had a beet salad or beet juice, you already know how vibrant and energizing this vegetable is. But Lenny includes beets in his daily routine for more than just their taste. He knows that beets provide numerous health benefits, especially when it comes to reducing inflammation and boosting circulation. Beets are rich in betalains, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support the body's natural detoxification processes. The liver is responsible for detoxing our bodies, and beets help it do its job more efficiently. By drinking beet juice or adding beets to his meals, Lenny is giving his liver a helping hand, ensuring that toxins are flushed out and his body stays in optimal condition. But it's not just about detoxification. Beets also improve circulation, which is key to maintaining healthy skin, reducing muscle fatigue, and enhancing energy levels. The nitrates in beets help widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. For Lenny, this means more stamina to keep up with his active lifestyle. When it comes to keeping your body youthful, good circulation is key. It means better skin tone, less muscle soreness after workouts, and higher energy levels throughout the day. How to eat beets. You can roast them, juice them, or even add them to a salad. If you want to get the most benefits, try drinking fresh beet juice in the morning to kickstart your day. Food 3. Avocados, the skin and heart protector. Lenny's third food for staying youthful is avocados, and he's not alone in swearing by their health benefits. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that are crucial for maintaining skin elasticity, preventing wrinkles, and ensuring that Lenny's skin looks as fresh as ever. But it's not just about keeping Lenny's skin glowing. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, which is essential for skin health. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from the sun's UV rays, helping to prevent aging signs like fine lines and sagging. In fact, studies have shown that people who consume foods high in vitamin E have fewer wrinkles and healthier, more youthful-looking skin. In addition to promoting healthy skin, avocados also help lower bad cholesterol levels, which supports heart health. The potassium in avocados helps regulate blood pressure, while the fiber content supports digestive health and weight management. How to enjoy avocados. Lenny likes to blend them into his morning smoothies, but you can also add them to salads, toast, or even make guacamole. With their healthy fats and creamy texture, they're perfect for satisfying your hunger while promoting healthy skin and heart health. Food 4. Soursop, the anti-aging fruit. Lenny's next favorite food is soursop, also known as graviola or guanabana. This exotic fruit is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is a great source of vitamin C, which is vital for collagen production, skin health, and boosting the immune system. Soursop also helps detoxify the body, supporting healthy digestion and promoting clear skin. The antioxidants in soursop help fight oxidative stress, which can contribute to premature aging. Regular consumption of soursop is said to reduce inflammation, enhance circulation, and promote healthy cellular regeneration. But that's not all. Soursop is also believed to have anti-cancer properties thanks to its unique compounds that help protect the body from free radicals and oxidative stress. This fruit also contains significant amounts of fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Soursop is also a mood booster, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Given the busy and sometimes high-pressure life of a rock star, incorporating foods like soursop helps Lenny maintain a calm, clear mind and youthful energy. How to use soursop. While it may not be readily available in every grocery store, you can find soursop at specialty markets or even in frozen form. Try it in smoothies or as a refreshing juice. Its unique flavor will add a tropical twist to your meals. Food 5. Spinach, the iron-rich powerhouse. Finally, we come to spinach, the dark leafy green that's packed with essential nutrients. Spinach is full of iron, which is crucial for healthy blood circulation and muscle function. For Lenny, keeping his muscles strong and his circulation optimal is key to maintaining a youthful appearance and energy levels. But iron isn't the only nutrient spinach provides. It's also packed with vitamin K, which helps maintain strong bones, and vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and glowing skin. These nutrients are essential for overall health and longevity, and they help keep Lenny feeling vibrant no matter how many years pass. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the skin from UV damage and keep it looking smooth and firm. Lenny includes spinach in his daily routine for all these reasons. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat, and it supports health from the inside out. How to enjoy spinach. Lenny likes to include spinach in his morning juices, but you can also sauté it, toss it in salads, or even blend it into smoothies. It's one of the easiest foods to add to your diet, and the benefits are endless. How you can start today. Now that you know the 5 key foods Lenny eats to stay youthful, you might be wondering how you can start incorporating them into your own life. The great thing is that these foods are not difficult to find or expensive. You don't need to live on a tropical farm to enjoy their benefits. Here's a simple plan. Start your day with a beet and spinach smoothie. Add a scoop of jackfruit or avocado for some healthy fats and fiber. For lunch or dinner, try a jackfruit taco with a side of soursop juice. As you continue to incorporate these foods into your routine, you'll start noticing subtle but powerful changes in your energy, skin, and overall vitality. Lenny Kravitz proves that age doesn't have to define how we look or feel. By choosing the right foods like jackfruit, beets, avocados, soursop, and spinach, we can nourish our bodies from the inside out and defy the aging process. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that protect and restore our bodies, helping us maintain a youthful appearance and energy well into our 60s, 70s, and beyond. So why wait? Start incorporating these foods into your diet today and watch as your energy, skin, and health transform. You don't need to be a rock star to live like one. Just eat the foods that keep you young and vibrant, just like Lenny Kravitz.